Preparing my mushroom and barley. Now I have the chicken in the bottom and a little beef. Yeah, try some little extension. This is my green banana and my onions. Now I'm adding the potatoes. See them? Oh, it's gonna be tasty. Wow, sweet. And now let's see what's happening to my mushroom and barley soup. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Oh boy, this is gonna be something. Look at the pot, full pot, man. Look, I'm gonna surprise some friends with this here today. Look, it's okay, good. Very tasty, I think. Yep.